Hello guys. I am Larry, your friend and your host. This is my friend Jenny.
Hello guys. Thank you Larry for introducing me. Welcome you all to our channel RemoveAllVirus.
So today we came here with another interesting tutorial. Today we are going to share a very easy and killer trick,
through which you can easily make your YouTube videos viral.
I know you just checked my subscribers and likes.
Guys, it is a trick for those who have little bit of subscribers. And it is quite tested.
But before we start, please like and share this video.
Don't forget to subscribe this channel and click on bell icon. So Larry, let's do this. Tell them the secret.
Of course Jenny, as you say. Guys, there's one trend that quite working these days. Do you know what it is?
I know. It is the controversy. Silly?
Yes, you are right, dear. Nowadays every YouTube is mixed up in a bit of controversy.
Attack any YouTuber. Say something bad and wait for the show.
When he will react and say something about you.
Soon a big controversy will rise and both your subscribers will start taking interest.
Yes, and then everyone will follow every move you make.
And from then your video will get shared to everyone by your fans, which will lead to a big increase in both your followers.
Now you both will get a big boost of subscriber that will make all the other upcoming videos viral.
Not just upcoming videos, but all the old videos will start getting views.
Yes, you are right. And more views means more likes, more share and more subscribers.
It is an easy trick, but you need to collaborate with some other YouTuber who has a good fair amount of traffic on his channel.
So guys, if you use this trick you can even make all your videos viral in no time.
Guys, thanks for watching this video.
Please like and share this video if you find this information useful.
Don't forget to subscribe this channel and click on bell icon.
Keep smiling guys till we meet again.